So, I've been watching everything that's been happening about the election and all that, the aftermath of that, and I've just been sitting here and thinking, and I've been just thinking about it. I didn't really feel like I had anything to say, and then there's something that I have been seeing that I feel like I want to at least comment on, and it's this. I'm just going to give my thoughts out about it. No matter who you voted for, I feel like as a country, we're not winning. And here's why I say that. Here's why I feel this way. I feel like when, for example, when Biden won, there was a good number of the population that was very ecstatic and very happy. But there was also a part of the population that was not happy, and they felt very unheard. And when that happens, you're not winning as a country. And now there's a portion of the population that voted for Harris and didn't get what they wanted, and they're very unhappy. And there's a portion of the population that voted for Trump and are ecstatic. Again, as a country, we are not winning. We are not winning when there is this idea of us versus them. I won, you lost. My point is that we are the United States of America, and we have not been united for a very long time. We cannot be loyal to one leader, one president, because in reality, presidents come and go. They're only there for a short time to steer the ship, and then they pass it on to the next person to do their part in a continued cycle. That's the benefit of our democracy. But at the end of the day, it's we the people who need to decide where we want to go in the best interest of everyone involved. And we can't do that when not everybody's in the conversation. We're not going to get it right all the time. We may not always agree. I think maybe we agree that we want all to have a great country, and there's many different versions of what that could look like, many different ways we can get there. But we all have to contribute to the conversation of what it looks like and do our best to go in that direction. One thing I know for sure, if we continue this mentality of being on two different teams, my side versus your side, we're never going to get there. It's what I've been thinking about lately. Open to hearing your thoughts, though.